So I got a package in the mail from Ingram Micro CFS. I think I know what it is. I was only expecting one package today, but I figured I would just do an unboxing for the universe. I don't know who all has gotten what I think this is, but let's check it out. Nice. That's right. Okay, so I ordered the new Nest doorbell. Now I have a Ring doorbell at my house, but I also have Nest cameras, so I thought it would be cool to try both, see which one I like better. And as a bonus, they just threw in the Google Home Mini, so that was a little incentive to buy it. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see how it looks. I'm a sucker for packaging, so they did a good job with the packaging, which Nest usually does. Should be good. So the top just slides off here. Not super easy. Oh, that's why. That's embarrassing. They have a little tab to pull there. They also have that on other products. Got a nice sturdy packaging. It's about as small as I thought it would be. I don't have the Nest Pro or the Ring Pro. This is about the size of the Ring Pro. I just have the Ring doorbell, so this will be sweet. Have a little bit smaller doorbell. Let's see what else comes with it. Oh, sounds like hardware, instructions. Looks like it's some stuff to install it. We'll see how easy that is. I don't know what this is, but looks cool. Anyway, yeah, that's the Nest doorbell. Everything that comes with it, like I said, I don't know how it's gonna work yet, but just thought we would unbox it and check it out. Thanks